Welcome to Lemons World. It's a place for video that doesn't fit in our recaps. If you want to be part of it, upload your own videos, short, less than 30 seconds, edited, tag it with Lemons World, we'll find it, maybe you'll see it on this channel. As you know, we're the proud owners of the famous Upside Down Camaro, which is a Camaro body mounted upside down on top of a 1990 Ford Festiva. Now, being a 1990 Ford Festiva at heart, it occasionally needs some maintenance and repairs. Problem is, where do you take an upside down Camaro to get worked on? And so we all pulled together and thought, who works on really stupid, useless shit? Thanks a lot, Tim. You may regret agreeing to work on that POS.
Thanks for watching Lemons World.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Your tea's ready.